My name is Logan. I'm here to pursue my master's in information systems at Menlo College. I've really enjoyed the MSIS program because of the people involved with it and the opportunities it's going to provide me once I'm completed the program. My professors have allowed me to build my network, and that's invaluable.
Hi everyone, my name is Anthony. I am here at Menlo College. I am majoring in the Management and Information Systems program. I'm coming to this program with a wealth of background, wealth of knowledge in different aspects. I'm a former student here, so I know what it means to be part of the Menlo community. I am looking to do a career pivot, and what better place than to come back to Menlo, to where it all started, to up my experience, up my knowledge, and be able to take that back into the workforce. I really love this program. I love my classmates, I love my professors, and the knowledge that I'm getting is very vast. It's invaluable, and I would highly recommend anybody to take this program.
The Master's in Information Systems program is great for those looking to break into tech. It's also designed for people from all different backgrounds. It's laid out to accommodate professionals who are seeking to increase their technical knowledge with options in either cybersecurity or data analytics. I really love it here at Menlo College, and I know you will too.